Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ranjani. Universal Human Values 2 Understanding Harmony is the subject. The title of Unit 4 is Understanding Harmony in the Nature Existence. Whole existence as coexistence. The topic today is interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment among the four orders of nature. These are the four orders of nature. The first one is physical order. Examples are soil, air, water, metals, etc. These orders have material unit. Self is absent here. Plant order. When compared with physical order, plant orders are less in number, but when compared with animal and human order, plant orders are more. So, examples for plant order. The name itself implies that grass, plants, trees coming under this order. Animal order. Animals and birds are the examples. Compared with human order, animal order is greater. And finally, we human beings are in this human order. So, human order utilizes all the three orders, and these three orders are already in harmony with each other. We are going to see the interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment among the four orders of nature. The physical order, they provide basic materials for plants to grow, that is, to develop, survive, and grow. From the seed towards a big tree, these physical orders provide the basic materials, that is, water, carbon dioxide, other minerals from the land. When the soil is fertile, there will be sufficient water available. The seeds germinate, so then the plants are growing. The physical order nourish the units of bio order. Similarly, the leaves, flowers, fruits of these plants fall to ground. They degenerate. They get converted back to soil as nutrients. The plant residues become manure for the soil and making the soil more fertile for the other plants to grow. Plants also help in maintaining the oxygen level in the air. They participate in the water cycle on earth and so on. We know that we human beings use oxygen for breathing and let out carbon dioxide. These trees, plants consume these carbon dioxide and make the air right material to make the human beings live peacefully. Thus, bio order fulfill units of the physical order. That is, the physical order is utilized by the bio order. We can also see that soil gets converted into plants and the plants get converted back into soil. They are mutually interconnected with each other and they are mutually fulfilled with each other. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the house in which we live, these are units of physical order. For the survival of the human beings, these are used. Mobile phones, we are using laptops, projectors, all these are made from the physical order. We are using form farm products like fruits, vegetables, grains, flowers, or even milk, all these are from bio-order and animal order. These food nourishes our body. These food are derived or obtained from these bio-order. Our requirement for food is so high that a large plant of this land which is available is used only for cultivation. More human beings are there. Our demand is more. We get milk, wool from animals. Bullocks helped to cultivate land. Horses, donkeys carry luggage. They are considered as transportation animals. Human beings used pigeons as messengers. They exchange messages with each other. Human beings exchange messages with each other using these pigeons. Dogs, they keep our homes safety. They are also used by the police department and army to detect the crimes. Thus, we can see that all the three orders are enriching for the human being. Now, the question is the human being, we, are fulfilling the other three orders. The question is this, and the answer is we need to explore. No, we are not fulfilling the three orders, but we are dominating and exploiting them up to a certain limit. And it leads to global warming and climate change. We need to remember the survival of us human beings depends on all these three orders: physical orders, bio orders, and animal orders. If we realize this, then surely instead of these two words, domination and exploitation of the other orders, we will be interconnected with other orders and mutual fulfillment is possible with the other three orders. With this right understanding, human beings can be the most fulfilling units in nature. We can use solar power, plant based fuels in the place of petroleum and coal. There are many examples of single individual, one person regenerating entire forest. There are many examples throughout the world, even in India. One person regenerating forest. Each of us can plant more than 4 trees in our lifetime. By maintaining adequate forest and grassland, can ensure a conducive environment for the birds and animals. Thus, we human beings can also be the most fulfilling units in nature. Like that, we can play the important role of being fulfilling for all the orders. Thank you.